Hello everyone, welcome to you all. This is Lata Awad, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry at KVN9 Arts, Commerce and Science College, Canada Corner, Nasik. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the remaining part of intramolecular cyclization reaction of free radical. In last lecture, we learned about the intramolecular free radical cyclization reaction and its mechanism, and why intramolecular radical reactions are so good. The intramolecular reaction is very powerful and are used to make 5-membered rings. It is possible to make other ring sizes also, but the range is rather limited. Because of ring strain, 3 and 4-member rings cannot be formed by radical reaction. Otherwise, smaller ring forms faster than larger ones. So, look at this selectivity by taking an example of this reaction. When this moiety reacts with PBTH and AIBN, we get two products. One is 5-member and other one is 6-member. In both product, 5-member product is major product which is in 98% yield, and 6-member product is minor product which is got in 2% yield. Now we will see the mechanism of this reaction. In first step, initiation step, AIBN is reacts with PBTH and we get tributylene radical. In next step, propagation step, these tributylene radical attack on this Br atom and formation of tributylene bromide plus here new radical. So, this is the intermediate of this reaction. From this intermediate, we got two product. Now, let us see how it is. If this intermediate react like that is this radical reacts across this double bond in this way, called as this as A pathway. We got 5-member ring and hexacyclic radical. So, the attack of free radical across this double bond is endo. So, this attack is endo attack and we got exocyclic radical. In next step, this radical abstract hydrogen radical from the TBTH and we got our 5-member product. As we know that this the smaller rings forms faster So in this reaction, this product is a major product. When these radical attack on this carbon and these bond open on this carbon and formation of radical take place, and the ring form is 6 member, and this attack is hexacyclic attack, and formation of this radical take place. In next step, these radical abstract hydrogen radical from the TBTH, and we got six member ring as a minor product. Generally, cyclization affected by first is steric effect and resonance effect. Look at this reaction. When this radical reacts across this double bond, we get 5 member cyclic compound as a major product, that is it is in 98%, and 6 member as a minor product which is in 2% in, as we saw in above example. Consider these reaction. When these radical reacts across this double bond, we get the 5 member product is a minor product, and the 6 member product as a major product. This is happened due to the steric effect. When these radical try to attack on this carbon atom, there is a steric crowding due to this methyl group, so this attack is not feasible, and these radical attack on this carbon atom and formation of new radical form, and from this we got this 6 member product is a major product, that is steric effect affects the cyclization reaction. The inductive effect does not affect on cyclization. So look at this reaction. When this intermediate or this radical reacts with this double bond, we got this substituted 5 membered ring as a major product, and the 6 membered ring is a minor product. So in this example, this is tertiary radical. So the inductive effect, this group is not affected for the attack or addition of this radical across this double bond. So this radical may be attack on this carbon atom, or these radical may be attack on this carbon atom, but as we saw the above reaction, the 5 member ring is easily formed. Due to this, we got this as a major product and this 6 member ring as a minor product. From this way, we can conclude that the inductive effect does not affect on cyclization and only steric effect and resonance effect is affected on cyclization free radical reaction. This is all about the intramolecular cyclization reaction. Why intramolecular cyclization reaction are so good? Selectivity of cyclization reaction and the factors affected on cyclization reaction, that is inductive effect and steric effect. In next lecture, we will discuss about the problem based on intramolecular free radical cyclization reaction. If you like this video, then press like button, share with your friends, and to get notification of new videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.